Managing a fully offshore Scrum team can be a complex and challenging task, but it is also a powerful way to leverage the skills and expertise of a globally distributed workforce. With the right tools and best practices in place, it is possible to maximize productivity and success while overcoming the unique challenges of working with a fully offshore team. There are several benefits to having an offshore team that can help organizations to maximize productivity, reduce costs, and expand their reach, such as access to global talent, cost savings, increased efficiency, flexibility, and diversification. Maximizing productivity and success with your fully offshore Scrum team include communication through video conferencing, instant messaging, and email. Some best practices for communication include establishing clear communication protocols and expectations for response times, providing regular updates and status reports to keep everyone on the same page, encouraging team members to ask questions or seek clarification when needed, and being mindful of cultural differences and language barriers. Collaboration is another key component of managing an offshore Scrum team through project management software, code repositories, and shared document repositories. Some best practices for collaboration include encouraging regular team check-ins and status updates, setting clear expectations for collaboration and sharing of resources, providing training and support for team members to use collaboration tools effectively, and establishing a culture of trust and respect among team members. Effective project management is essential when managing an offshore Scrum team through agile project management tools, Gantt charts, and risk management tools. Some best practices for project management include setting clear project goals and timelines, defining roles and responsibilities for team members, monitoring progress regularly and addressing any issues or roadblocks as they arise, and conducting regular retrospectives to identify areas for improvement. Finally, it's important to measure the performance of your offshore Scrum team regularly through time tracking software, performance management software, and metrics and KPI dashboards. Some best practices for performance measurement include setting clear performance metrics and KPIs that are aligned with project goals and objectives, and providing regular feedback and recognition to team members. Moreover, the best practices include conducting regular performance reviews to identify areas for improvement, and encouraging continuous learning and development among team members. Here are some additional tips for managing an offshore Scrum team. Cultural sensitivity. When working with team members from different parts of the world, it's important to be mindful of cultural differences and to find ways to bridge any communication gaps. Establish clear expectations. From the outset, it's important to establish clear expectations for communication, collaboration, and project management. Focus on outcomes. When managing an offshore team, it's important to focus on outcomes rather than inputs. Regular check-ins. Regular check-ins can help to keep everyone on the same page and to address any issues or roadblocks in a timely manner. And continuous improvement. Finally, it's important to continually assess and improve your team's processes and practices. Please do not forget to subscribe to our posts at www.atos of Software Engineering. Blog and listen our podcasts available on Spotify and other popular platforms. Have a great reading, viewing and listening experience.